Okay, speaker swap. And when we get done, we're going to see what happens with everything on 10. Let's rock this. Oh, these got the old push pulls. The old push pulls, if you do it both at once. Utah. 1950s Utah. With new cones. Paul Smith had it reconed. Hippie hemps. Let's see. Oh, bumped my head. Still in my pajamas. Best way to be. Where'd the screw go at? I don't know. I'm sexy. Utah. I don't know how they stock in Utah. I've never been to Utah, but I think they Utah. When in Rome. I think Utah is in Rome. You just don't want to drop your soap in Rome. Oh, these are clips. These are the old stereotype pushy pulls. We have a way around that. Computing the odds of me blowing stuff up. Nap time. Look at there. Huntington, Indiana. Utah's in Huntington, Indiana. I didn't know that. I'll just plug it in here. Oh, pop my head. Okay, now we're just gonna wrap this cord around the top. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, I gotta go back up top. Ah, whoa, pop my head. Well, that was easy. Then we just figure where she's plugged in. Okay, there we go. Woo, 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 ah. Oh, woo, woo. Ah. Stop, drop, and roll. Oh, God, bump my head. Oh, God, bump my head. So there you go. Don't be afraid to play around with your speaker arrangement. You might be surprised at the tones you get. There you have it. Oh, shoot, bumped my head.